Meet GiGi, your ultimate gaming companion. GiGi is designed to elevate your gaming experience, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. GiGi's capabilities are vast, starting with her ability to create a guide for any game. But she doesn't stop there. Discover all that GiGi has to offer in AIVille. Sign up today for a free trial of AIVille Plus and unlock GiGi's full potential. From beginner guides to expert mastery, GiGi tailors her support to enhance your skills and gameplay. Optimize your setup with personalized software tweaks and stay ahead with in-depth patch notes analysis. Sharpen your skills with reaction time drills and advanced techniques designed to give you the edge. Master both single-player and multiplayer games with strategic insights tailored to each mode. Get personalized game tips and optimize your settings for the best experience possible. Stay informed with the latest gaming news and get expert advice on setting up your gear for maximum performance. Level up faster and improve your skills with GiGi's tailored strategies and leveling guides. Visit AIVille and start your journey with GiGi. We'll be heading to AIVille often, so hit the subscribe button if you'd like to learn more about GiGi and all the other incredible tools found inside.